Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Line Master here and I'm going to show you how to improve your line work to get a better result even from the simplest of the drawings. This is another simple yet very effective way to improve the overall look of your art. Still, it is criminally overlooked, especially by beginners. Also, it goes hand in hand with creating more dynamic poses, for which I also have a video, and if you did not check it out yet, I too much often see beginners using a single thickness of line when finishing the line work for a drawing. And that may work very well for animation, for example, but as far as still images go, there are so much more things that you can do to create a more polished look for your drawings. So, in order to demonstrate what I'm talking about, I have some fan art for the upcoming Aquaman movie to demonstrate. All areas that have less light hitting them, such as crevices on a character's body or folds on the clothes, should have thicker lines, while the opposite should be happening too. Thinner lines for places where there is a lot of light. And the same goes for distance. The further away from the viewer, the thinner the lines should be, because it also helps to create a hierarchy and make the drawing more comprehensive. And then closer to the viewer, the thicker the lines should be. Even inside the same character, if you have a hand or a leg that extends in front of such character and closer to the viewer than the rest of the character's body, the lines should be thicker, while a leg that prepares for a kick right behind the character's body to get the momentum should have thinner lines. Even very simple poses with very little action can benefit greatly from playing with the thickness of the lines. A full resolution image will be available on my Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr and DeviantArt pages. And there's also a not safe for work version available for purchase if you'd like. Please follow me everywhere and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to support if you want to see more. Comment down below if you have any critiques, suggestions or questions. Thank you very much for watching and I will be seeing you all again very soon. Bye bye.